Other members of solar system. Asteroids by Vishek Rathod. Asteroids are rocky worlds revolving around the sun that are too small to be called planets. They are also known as planetoids or minor planets. There are millions of asteroids ranging in size from hundreds of miles to several feet across. In total, the mass of all the asteroids is less than that of Earth's moon. Despite their size, asteroids can be dangerous. Formation of asteroids. Asteroids are leftovers from the formation of solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. Early on, the birth of Jupiter prevented any planetary bodies from forming in the gap between Mars and Jupiter, causing the small objects that were there to collide with each other and fragment into asteroids seen today. Physical characteristics. Asteroids can reach as large as Ceres, which is 940 kilometers, about 583 miles across. On the other hand, end of the scale, the smallest asteroid ever studied is 6 foot wide Space Rock 2015 TC25, which was observed when it made a close flyby of Earth in October 2015. Nearly all the asteroids are irregularly shaped, although a few of the largest are spherical, such as Ceres. They are often pitted or cratered. For instance, Vesta has a giant crater some 285 miles in diameter. The surface of the most asteroids are thought to be covered in dust. More than 150 asteroids are known to have a small companion moon. Binary or double asteroids also exist, in which two asteroids of roughly equal size orbit each other, and triple asteroid system is known as well. Many asteroids seemingly have been captured by a planet's gravity and becomes moon, likely candidate including Mars moon, Phobos and Deimos. The average temperature of a typical asteroid is -100 degrees Fahrenheit. Asteroids have stayed mostly unchanged for billions of years. Research into them reveal a great deal about the early solar system. Thank you.